Want to cancel your Optimum Mobile service but dread making a phone call? Good news. As of September 2025, Optimum offers easy cancellation options online via live chat or through email, all without having to speak to anyone on the phone. In this video, we'll walk you through each method step by step. Remember, since Optimum Mobile is a prepaid service, you can cancel anytime without termination fees. Keep in mind that any unused data or minutes will expire upon cancellation. First, let's look at canceling through the Optimum website or mobile app. Start by logging into your Optimum account using your email or username and password. Two-factor authentication may be required for security. Next, the live chat option provides 24/7 support with AI-powered assistance. Visit optimum.com and start a live chat session. Type your cancellation request, and the assistant will guide you through the process with quick response times. Finally, email cancellation offers a simple written method. Send your request to optimumsupport@optimum.com with your account details for verification. You'll typically receive a response within 24 to 48 hours with confirmation. Remember, you can port your phone number to another carrier within 30 days using the app. Handle any device payment plans separately. All methods use secure data encryption and comply with privacy laws.